This is Pre-Calculus, Chapter 2, Section 6, problem number 31. It's a problem where we're doing a composition, but the composition is of the same function twice. So we're going to use the function g 2 times. Remember that g, and then this little o, g, this means g of negative 2. We can rewrite it this way, which might be more helpful. The way we do this, the process is we evaluate the inner function, as we do in all compositions, meaning we find g of negative 2. We look at the graph to do that. We're going to get some result. And I'm just going to use yellow because you're going to have to figure that out yourself by looking at the graph in the problem. Once you find out that value, you're going to input that result into the outer function. In this case, that just happens to be g again. So you're going to plug this result into the function g, and that will be your final answer. So we've used the function g twice. So here's an example, but it's not that problem because I want you to do that specific problem yourself. What if I had g of 1? Well, the first thing I would do is I would evaluate g of 1 by looking at the graph where x equals 1 and find out that my output was 4. Now I'm going to plug that 4 into the function g again by looking at the graph where x now equals 4 and find that my output is 3. So therefore, g of 1 is equal to 3. Now you do the other problem. That was g of negative 2.